Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this iCliniq telehealth platform review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. iCliniq is a worldwide telehealth platform designed for individuals looking for professional medical guidance without the hassle of in-person appointments. Whether you're dealing with a minor health issue, seeking a second opinion on a complex medical condition, or require regular consultations, iCliniq connects you with licensed physicians and specialists globally. The platform offers services spanning a broad spectrum of medical fields, from general medicine and dermatology to gynecology, pediatrics, and mental health, making it a versatile resource for various healthcare requirements. A key advantage of iCliniq is its flexibility. You can select from text-based consultations, phone calls, or video conferences depending on your comfort level and the urgency of your situation. This adaptability is particularly beneficial for individuals residing in remote locations, those with demanding schedules, or anyone who simply prefers the ease of telehealth. iCliniq facilitates the uploading of medical records, lab results, and images, giving doctors a comprehensive understanding of your health history for more accurate and personalized recommendations. One notable feature is iCliniq's Ask a Doctor option, where users can submit health-related questions and receive detailed responses from experts usually within a few hours. This is incredibly helpful for non-urgent matters or follow-up inquiries. Furthermore, iCliniq supports second opinions from specialists, including oncologists and surgeons, which can be crucial for making well-informed decisions regarding serious health concerns. iCliniq's pricing structure is transparent and competitive, accommodating users both with and without insurance. You can pay per consultation or choose a subscription plan with unlimited queries, making it a cost-effective choice for individuals with ongoing healthcare needs. iCliniq's global reach is supported by multilingual support and doctors situated across various time zones, ensuring access to care around the clock. Whether you're seeking prompt medical advice, need a trusted second opinion, or desire consistent access to healthcare professionals, iCliniq offers a robust telehealth experience. It presents a convenient and efficient way to manage your health from the comfort of your own home. Explore the links in the description to learn more about iCliniq and discover how it can fulfill your healthcare needs.